Hey, what's going on everyone? I hope everyone is wrapping up a great week. I have another short and sweet video today. A couple of weeks back, I put together a video called Catch Me If You Can, where we went out and tried to catch as many species as we could in one day. I thought that was a lot of fun. I want to do it again, but this time around, I want to invite you along with us. So on the previous trip, we were able to pick up the fish here in green, 12 species total. And this time around, I'm kind of hoping to pick up the fish here in red. But I do think the fish in red are going to be more difficult to catch. And it might be a little too cold for yellowtail, in addition to me maybe not having the skills. But that's not going to keep us from trying. But regardless, I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And so if this sounds like your idea of a good time, come on out and join us. Hey, at this point, I have a quick favor to ask. If you could hit the subscribe button and maybe the like button as well, I would really appreciate that. Okay, now for the gory details. In the past, I've led trips where I've taken newbie people and I've kind of guided you around and put you on fish and kept you safe. I need to note that this is not going to be one of those trips. This trip entails a big lap starting from the harbor around the Redondo Beach area. And so the mileage is going to be like 10 to 12 miles total. We could be on the water for 8 to 10 hours. And when we are targeting the fish in red, there could be moments where it's completely boring. In addition, you may have to deal with oceanic conditions that are a little bit different than a newbie trip. So you may have to deal with swells that are maybe like 4 or 5 foot, wind up to maybe 15 miles per hour at times. And again, big mileage and big time. And so if you're still with me and it still sounds like fun and you're okay with the mileage and the conditions, do reach out to me at adventureforth@gmail.com. Okay, that about wraps it up. I'm looking forward to meeting with some of you and fishing with some of you. As always, thank you for dropping by. Get out there, have fun, be safe, and we will see you soon. Bye for now.